Hi, John here. In this video I will talk about why it's important to record a user behavior on your e-commerce product pages or landing pages, and how to actually read from that what you need to fix on a product page to increase conversion rate. Okay, so let's just go directly to my computer, and basically what I'm showing you here is Clarity, right? Basically it's like a heat mapping software, and important is that it's actually free. And first, this is just example of, for example, my book, right, that you can actually download, and it's free. And basically it tells me, right, where people actually go and what they actually do on my website, right? Where they scroll, where they click, and all that. It's actually not that important, when it comes to, for example, something like this, right? Because well, this is just like simple opt-in page, right? Everybody converts there. But where this is powerful is e-commerce store, right? Or e-commerce product page or landing page. Because it will tell you immediately what's going on, right? Let's say that you can actually follow, for example, people on mobile devices as well, right? And you will see, okay, so we have like this heat map here, and you can see where people are usually tapping, right? Or where people, for example, like scroll. And that itself will kind of like answer a couple of questions, right? First one is that pricing, right? Usually when I see that somebody scrolls, through page and they usually stop in pricing and then they bounce, then I understand, okay, so either I didn't really like sell them that idea, of the product and that offer enough, so that's why they bounce, because they think that it's too expensive, or it's too expensive. And that will already tell me that, okay, maybe I should test some like duplicate landing page with higher price or lower price, right? Because sometimes you just need to test different prices to know what works, because sometimes work lower price but also higher price. And you can actually read it from this, right? Because if you send couple hundred people to our website, then it will immediately tell you like where people actually bounce, right? This way I'm actually able to really like read behavior of people on my landing page and understand where they're actually like leaving, right? So then I can like think, okay, what can I do with this? Should I like fix it? Should I like delete some part, because people are actually like leaving at that part? Or how to actually make that purchase process like silky smooth, so people just like go like basically they are in limbo, right? They just see ad, click on it, go like check everything, check price is fine, read through copy, there's nothing wrong in copy, they go to add to cart, check out, buy for it, and leave, right? Or sometimes you will see that they are just dropping, for example, in checkout, right? Because let's say that in my previous videos I was already also talking about how other marketers, for example, are using discount codes in wrong way, right? They promise a discount code, they, let's say, display the discount code in ad, but the discount code is like difficult to remember, right? And then that person basically forgets the discount code is never like added to that website, right? So then basically when they get to that checkout, right, they try to like think, okay, so what was the discount code actually? Then they can actually apply the discount code and they will just get error, and that itself kind of like like wake them up, like pushes them out of that buying mood and think like, maybe I don't need it, right? And you will also understand that, right, when you are, for example, checking those like heat maps or where people actually click in that checkout, right? Because you will understand, okay, so are they bouncing from that discount code field, right? Or why they are actually bouncing, right? Maybe you just want like too much information from them, maybe like there is like something that looks weird, right? And by that, just by like looking at all these videos that basically you can watch, right, you will understand like what's going on, what you can fix, and or what you can, for example, improve. And that itself will like help you to like fix that product page, because like you can have like a great ad, a great offer, but then if your product page is like doing something wrong, then people will be just bouncing and they will not be buying, right? But to me, what I really see like the biggest problem is always the price, right? So this always tells me if the price is too high, too low, or if I should play with price, because mostly when I see that where people actually bounce is on that price, right? So they usually just like get on page, read first headline, read name of product, read the offer, check price, see price. If it's too high, they bounce, and then I can really like test multiple prices and see which one of them is actually work like better for majority of those users and visitors. So definitely get that clarity. And if you still download my free ebook, Facebook Ad Launch Guide for E-commerce, they literally wrote, for people who either own e-commerce store and want to launch their Facebook ads, and want to know when to stop with products, right? How to optimize their assets so they are always in profit, right? Or how to even create ad accounts, without doing some typical basic mistakes that most people do. Or for example, if you are already running with Facebook ad agency and you want to know if your Facebook ad agency is really doing their best to increase your sales, or if they're actually holding your sales down, right? So you will actually be able to read it from the book. So definitely download it because it's still free. And if you like my videos and would like to see more of them, definitely click on the subscribe button and on the bell button, and I will see you in my tomorrow video. So thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.